Hello. Tired with hair loss? Weak hair? Don't know what to do? Restolin, details of the hair growth supplement revealed in a full video. Restolin is a herbal hair improvement supplement that has caught the attention of trichologists and those suffering from hair and scalp-related problems since it was first made available for purchase. But despite the sustained popularity of the supplement, reposts on the internet have been conflicting regarding its safety and efficiency. This Restolin review will break down the facts about the supplement so that you can decide whether it is worth your money. For the purpose of writing this review, I've consulted with quite a few Restolin customers to learn about their experience. Based on these customer reviews and information I've collected from other trustworthy sources, I've structured this Restolin review into relevant sections before arriving at a final verdict. So keep reading to learn everything you should know before you give it a try. What is Restolin? Restolin is a hair supplement for people experiencing immense hair fall. Hair fall could be because of different reasons like medication, nutrient deficit, usage of chemical shampoos, etc. All this can trigger hair fall. Restolin hair regrows pill work towards fixing all hair issues and making your hair strong and healthier. Sometimes we cannot fix the problem from the outside, it needs to be cured on the inside. Restolin consists of a powerful formulation that works towards regrowing your hair. As the product is made of natural ingredients, you don't have to worry about any side effects. Restolin manufacturer. The creator of the Restolin supplement is William Anderson. He was suffering from hair fall himself, and that is when he came up with this supplement. So he started making a simple yet powerful formula that will work on everyone suffering from hair fall. The formula changed his life, and he wanted more people to experience the same result he got from using the formula. So homemade it into the form of a capsule and called it Restolin. A very powerful hair restoration formula. How does Restolin work? Restolin pill works by providing all the nutrients necessary for your hair and stops hair loss. The potent ingredients in the formulation work towards providing healthy hair. The hair supplement is very safe to consume as all the ingredients used are natural. The supplement helps cure the root cause of the problem, unlike other shampoos and topical creams. It accelerates hair growth and prevents hair fall. It strengthens the hair shaft so that there is less hair fall. Each capsule contains all in perfect quantities for the best results. It will also help prevent dandruff, hair thinning, split ends, premature graying. Who can use Restolin? The supplement can be enjoyed by everyone. Pregnant women or women who are nursing and people who have any kind of chronic illness are recommended to consult their doctor before using the product. People who take medication for other diseases and allergic people can also enjoy this hair regrowth supplement as the product is free of common allergens. Results its longevity. The results of the product can be seen after using the product for 2 to 3 months. What most people do is they start using the hair support supplement, and after using it for 1 to 2 months, they stop using it thinking it is not working for them. As it is a natural supplement, it will take time to show results in the body. You need to be consistent with a supplement to obtain maximum results. The full effect of the supplement can only be seen after using it for the advocated period. The results of the hair support supplement can be elongated if it is used for the advised period. The results can be enjoyed up to 1 to 2 years of stopping the supplement. For best efficiency, the Westfield Voice researchers also advised a healthy lifestyle and eating habits. Click on the official site link that is in the description and see the best offer for you.